Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow butter at home. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally 1 quart with at least 35% fat content. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk attachment for about 15 minutes beforehand is a crucial step. This helps maintain the cream's cold temperature, which is essential for proper butter formation. Pour the cold cream into the chilled bowl, ready for the next stage. Now begin whipping the cold, heavy cream on a medium-high speed. You will observe the cream transforming through several stages. Initially, it will become whipped cream, then it will start to curdle and look grainy. Keep whipping. After about 5 to 10 minutes, the butter solids will visibly separate from the liquid, which is the buttermilk. This separation is the key indicator that your butter is forming. Once the butter and buttermilk have separated, carefully drain the liquid buttermilk from the butter solids. You can save the buttermilk for baking or other recipes. Next, place the butter in a bowl of very cold water. Knead the butter gently while rinsing it. This washing process is vital to remove all remaining buttermilk, which prevents spoilage and extends the butter's shelf life. Repeat this step until the water runs completely clear. After washing, it's time to season your homemade butter. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt for every 4 ounces of butter, or adjust to your personal taste preference. Knead the salt thoroughly into the butter to ensure it's evenly distributed throughout the entire batch. Finally, shape your fresh butter into a convenient log or block. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.